This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. Sought-after Riverwalk neighborhood known for its Olympic-sized swimming pool, clubhouse for event use, tennis courts, boat ramp for deep water access to the Elizabeth River, parks with gazebos and benches and trails. Stunning all-brick 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home. Finished room over garage has private bath, great for a teen haven or in-law suite. 3 fireplaces including one in the master bedroom, 2 spacious bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom. 5th bedroom is set up as a study with built-in desk and bookshelves and has no closet. Appx 4,000 square feet of luxury west crown molding, dual staircase, vaulted ceiling in kitchen, separate wet bar, butler's pantry, hardwood floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, neutral colors and numerous upgrades made by the seller in the past 5 years. Cul-de-sac location, west tress and prof landscaped yard, fire pit, playground area and wrought iron decorative fencing, 1-year home warranty. Easy access to interstate. For more information